Hello everyone. I wanted to do a little comparison test here. We have the Slurry Magnet slurry powder over here and a leading national brand slurry powder right here. Each of these beakers is filled with 250 milliliters of clean water, and we are going to take 1/100th or 2.5 milliliters of each product, add, stir, wait, and see what happens. We'll do this first. Just give it a little stir. Same thing here with the Slurry Magnet. Just give it a little stir. There are lots of different ways that this can be done on a job site. My personal preference when space is sufficient is just to squeegee everything up into a big pile, add powder, and mix with the flathead shovel or similar, and then dump it for waste. Some people like to put it straight into 5-gallon buckets, add the product. You can actually measure out how much product. It'll vary based on what grit you're running and how much slurry is mixed into the water, on how much product is required to fully absorb it for proper disposal. I've actually not run this test before. This is a first time. I've been doing the test with 5 milliliters, and it kind of seems to over-absorb. So I figured, why not? Let's cut it in half and see if it's sufficient to do and how long it takes to solidify. At this point, I really don't know. But we are going to find out. I'll hold these up a little closer so we can watch. It's hard to tell just yet if it's going to be enough product or not. Obviously, none of these products are inexpensive, and everything adds to job site costs. So when you try to find that best value between performance and price, you have to consider all aspects, right? Because labor is certainly a cost too, time and quantity of material. So here we can clearly see the difference. I didn't pause the video while we waited just so that we could see. I want to give it just a little bit longer and dump it out. I can already tell on this one that I'm going to have a bit of a mess to clean up, but that's okay. That's what the video is for. I'll dump this one out first. So I think it's safe to say that not quite enough material was used, but very close. Actually, given a little bit longer and a little more mixing, I take it back. This may be adequate. I don't wear gloves unless I have to. There's nothing harmful in either of these products. So that did actually really well. And let's go ahead and make the mess. Maybe I'll put a few paper towels under here. It's a lot of unsolidified product. maybe half as much as we needed. So I'm not going to make any technical claims here. I'm just going to say roughly it takes twice as much of this product as it does this. That was fun. Hope you enjoyed it.